Hi, it's John with Circle of Care. I wanted to do this little informal meeting video. I stumbled upon something in the news recently that talked about this movement called Pandemic of Care, and I don't know, Pandemic of Love, if you guys have heard about it, but essentially it's this woman who, is from Florida, and she had this idea where she could have someone of privilege, someone with money, give to someone who's in economic need. Now, it's all voluntary, and they're not looking and seeking out people with privilege and with money. They're having them come to the organization. And you're also not just simply donating money and not really knowing where it's going. They're matching you with people. So from my understanding, if you're in need, you fill out a form on the website, which I'll provide you all the links to, and I'll even provide the link for the local Phoenix one, and just the link to their main website so you can check her out. But essentially, Pandemic for Love, like I was saying, it matches someone with privilege with someone that has that economic need, and they find each other, and they meet each other's needs in a way that, I haven't seen done before, which is just amazing. And I really love it. I find it beautiful, especially because it's one person helping another person. It's not just a bunch of people donating money to a cause where you don't fully understand where the money's going. You can see where your money's going. And you can see that you directly impacted another person, and that's a beautiful form of community. A beautiful form of community where you donate to a cause and know that your donation directly impacted a specific other person. And that's exactly what we're doing here. So I think this is the best representation of where community is self-care and where community can bring increased level of happiness. So I will provide the link. I'll give you all the information in the description so that you can fill out the form. If you're in economic need, be humble and request that need from this foundation and ask for help. And if you're in a position where you can help someone out. There's something in positive psychology that talks about if you can give someone happiness, you gain your own happiness. And this is exactly an opportunity for you to gain some happiness. On the flip side, asking for help and kind of humbling yourself to be able to match with someone that can help you kind of opens up that vulnerability of being able to ask for help in the future. One of the biggest things when it comes to self-growth, when it comes to self-care, is being able to turn to someone in a time of need and ask for that help and be that squeaky wheel. So for the people that want to give, this is an opportunity to give to someone that truly needs it. And the people that need the help, this is an opportunity to be a squeaky wheel and be heard. So check out the Pandemic of Love website, follow the link in the description, and I would love for you to participate in this in any way possible. Thank you.